We are now over halfway through the Marble Cup, and now we are at Droptown, the 5th race of the Marble Cup. This race, it shows a lot of times where marbles will be dropping at times. This lap is under 30 seconds, but as you can see, it looks very long. Sands, with almost 50 points, currently has the lead. Balance Chugs, though, is only 2 points behind. Hamlin has fallen down to 3rd. Mario, one of the best Marble Cup winning a race, in 4th. Qualifiers about to start. Peter Griffin, Group, Henry, Sigmund, and SpongeBob taking on the first heat. And they're off. Going to the first turn here, we have... Oh, that's Henry Sigmund taking the lead, not Peter Griffin. As we go into the first drop of this race. Henry Sigmund still taking the lead. And then we have this big area where marbles can definitely lose a lot of spots. Peter Griffin actually now has the lead. Peter Griffin doing good. He's going to set a benchmark time to be about 33 seconds. Yeah, not 33, 23 seconds. Lightning McQueen, Poe, Scratch Cat, and Sands will take the second race here. 21st second is the current pole position number. Lightning McQueen with a provisional lead. All of them in a straight line. And in this turn, it's going to shoot to Poe having the lead. Poe's going to fall down in that area. And Poe will now be in 3rd. And as Scratch Cat finishes off this race, that is not going to be as good. Just 23 seconds. Not that good for Scratch Cat. Peter Griffin still has pole position. Provisionally, Balance Chugs, Mike Wazowski, Peppa Pig, and Toad taking on the 3rd race. Balance Chugs having the lead. Balance Chugs second place in the standings. It'd be good if he won. And Sands currently last position here. Toad now having the lead. Oh, Balance Chugs is going to slow down. And I do not see Mike Wazowski. What happened to Mike Wazowski? Oh, there he is. He just, I guess, slowed down a lot there. But who won that race? Was that Balance Chugs? No, it was Toad. Toad still not pole position, though. Only 4th. Homer Simpson, Hamlin, Mario, and Cookie taking on the last race of these qualifiers. It is provisionally Homer Simpson with the lead. Mario in close second place. And oh, that's going to be Cookie now having the lead. Cookie now has the lead, and Cookie's going to keep the lead, actually. Going into the end, and Cookie will win this race. And that is pole position as well. Cookie's going to want that. Cookie currently last place in the standings. Peter Griffin falls to 2nd. Sands the current championship leader out in 15th at the start of this race. Sands, this means a lot of people can do this. We're off at Droptown. The race is a bit laggy, but it's okay. Cookie starting off, actually, that's a good lead right there from pole position. Lightning McQueen's the closest one up in 2nd. And Model's definitely catching up to her. Scratch Cat is up in 2nd and is getting a bit closer to the lead now. It's okay, I'm going to say at points this race is going to get laggy for some reason. I don't know why, but okay. Scratch Cat and Cookie are actually going to be in a tie going into the elevator this first lap. And my god, this elevator's going to be long, I guess. And, oh, Cookie's actually going to go to leap off the elevator and have a good lead. Everyone else finishing off there. And in the lead, no, Scratch Cat is taking it back now. And Toad is up in the lead somehow. That was unexpected. And Gru's up in 3rd. Scratch Cat is falling down to 4th. That's a crazy thing that can happen in that part. Sands also 2nd to last from pole position and is now in like 5th. This race is currently chaos here at Droptown. Cookie and Gru taking a time for the lead going into next lap. Sands also now his fastest lap. And going into here, Cookie still has a good lead. What's going to happen into here? Toad, he's going to go insanely quick and is only going to go up to 2nd. Scratch Cat is now taking back the lead. Gru's up in 3rd. Cookie had the lead, is now down to 4th with Poe up there in what seems to be there as well. of a real championship contender. Balance Shugs down in 13th. Not the greatest here. Scratch Cat is going to have the lead going into lap 4. And Gru's up in second place now. Gru has gotten 2 podium positions before, both third place. And Poe's up in the lead somehow. Poe has gotten to the lead. Scratch Cat up in second. Mario is now in third. Toad in a close fourth. And Toad has gotten to second place going into the elevator. Scratch Cat is now up in third. Lightning McQueen is also taking fastest lap as well. And we're a third of the way through Droptown now. Heading to lap 5. Oh, a pretty good lead as well going into this lap. Meanwhile, Sans, a championship contender, currently in 4th and pretty close to 3rd. And Mario's actually going to take that 3rd place spot. Toad has a pretty decent lead against everybody. Mario had a brief 2nd place. Poe got it back. And Henry Stickman has gone to 3rd place. I don't know where Henry Stickman placed in qualifying, but he is now upped into what is provisionally 3rd place. And somehow Sans is just taking back fastest lap from Lightning McQueen. That's just stealing right there. Toad, an almost 2-second lead going into the lap 6, the halfway mark. Henry Singman took 2nd place for a brief amount of time there. Poe is actually going to take the lead out of that area. And, ooh, Toad almost lost 2nd place as well. It's a freeway battle for 2nd as Poe takes a decent lead. Going into the elevator, we have reached the halfway point of this race. And Poe is going to have the lead going into lap 7. Henry Stickman in 2nd place. Toad in 3rd. Trying to get to 2nd, and it's going to be really close, but it will not happen. Scratch Cat's the only ever close one to them in 4th, and SpongeBob has actually gone up to 5th place. SpongeBob will pretty much want a good finish. SpongeBob did get a bronze back at Moving Mountain, but has not gotten a lot of great finishes since. Okay, heading into lap 8, Poe still with a good lead. Henry Stickman and Toad are the only 2 close to him. And I think it was like 2 seconds of the lead as well. Poe doing good in this race. And oh, Scratch Cat. The Scratch Cat in 3rd. Not 3rd, 4th. Oh my god. Oh, but taking a good lead. You know, Henry Stickman is trying to beat Toad for 2nd place. And he's going to be in a tie, which is a good thing. SpongeBob is now up to 4th. Sans is actually going to fall down. Provisionally is going to get no point. Actually, 1 for getting fastest lap, but, you know. Oh, with a 3-second lead now. And Henry Stickman is actually going to take 2nd place. And not just for like a second or so. He's going to look to have it for a long time. Oh, Toad's going to fall down there. And Scratch Cat is going to take 3rd place. I'm looking. Lightning McQueen is falling down a lot of positions here. He's currently provisionally in 15th after being like 7th. I don't know what happened to him. It's either he's doing horrible in this race over the course of the past 10 seconds, or he has fallen off the course. Henry Stickman, I didn't even pay attention. Henry Stickman has an almost 2-second lead now. Just out of the blue, Henry Stickman has the lead. Scratch Cat up in 3rd place. And the only one close to them. No, Poe. Poe's taking it back. Poe responds to that with a great lead. Henry Stickman, he's a bit close to Poe in 2nd place. Those are only 2 real contenders for the lead now. And Poe is going to have a lead going into here. Poe's going to want a good finish as well, currently sitting 12th in the standings. Poe and Henry Stickman going to fight it out to probably one of those two who's going to win here at Droptown. And Poe is going to stretch that lead even further. We're going to head into the final lap here in a second. Scratch Cat, Toad, and Cookie's actually gone up to 5th place. Not bad for Cookie. Cookie wants a good finish. Only has 2 points in the standings currently. Oh, and there's Badlands Chugs. Only have a real championship contender. Sans probably only getting like 1 point. This would be good for Badlands Chugs. And now we head into the final lap. Poe has a 6-second lead to 3rd place, but I think that's a couple seconds to 2nd place. And I think it's going to be Poe's going to win this race by a pretty big margin as well. Like Mike Wazowski and Moving Mountain. There it is. Henry Sigmund tried to take it there in the last second, but Poe is going to be your winner at Moving Mountain. Not Moving Mountain. Droptown. Poe will be your winner. Scratch Cat takes 3rd. Henry Sigmund in 2nd. There he is crossing the finish line. Poe does it. Henry Sigmund takes 2nd. There's Scratch Cat who will take 3rd. Mario will actually get 4th. Not bad for him. And that is SpongeBob actually taking 5th. Toad, Gru, Balance, Chugs, Peter Griffin, Microsoft, Sans. There's Sans. He will get 1 point even though he technically got 0. For the Pig, Homer Simpson. And I don't see him on the course, so I think Lightning McQueen fell off this course at some point. They're trying to raise control of the cameras. They're trying to look. Find Lightning McQueen. Will they be able to find him? And they're looking. Oh, you can see his name back there. He did fall off the course. There we are on the podium. Lightning McQueen will be awarded 0 points for that performance. Oh, for the gold medal, he is going to shoot up to 5th place in the standings. 42 points. Balance Chugs will actually take the lead now by 1 point. Stands in a close second. Again, 1 point apart. Mario's now up in 3rd place, and Hamlet goes down to 4th. Well, that's the end of this episode. I'm Jack Maples, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.